Hello everybody and welcome to Cook with Zunsar. Today we're going to be making some chicken bread. So for the dough I'm gonna leave in the description box, and my dough was rice and was soft, and it was double in size. Then we need the dough and we're going to make this into oval size. And then we're going to add our chicken filling. I made my chicken filling just normally with some sauces, and then we're going to add lots of mozzarella cheese. You just make a full line of mozzarella cheese, must be grated, and then we're going to fold this just one side. Make sure you put in your counter some flour. Don't make like me. I didn't add enough flour, so it was sticking. So just fold it on one side, and then we're going to cut the other side into some strips, and then we're going to fold it like close it into the bread to make that nice stripes design on the bread, and then just close all over, and then it's time to cut our bread. If you are new to the channel, hello, my name is Sarah and welcome to Cook with Sunsar. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you get my new videos updates whenever I post. So now I'm gonna cut all the bread into the slices that you want. I like this big chunks of bread, and we're going to add in our tray with some you just have to brush with some oil on the pan, and then we're going to brush some egg on the bread. After you're brushing with the egg, we're going to add some black seeds, or you can add whatever you want, bake it, and then it's time to enjoy this fluffy, cheesy and amazing bread. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and one more time, I am back to this. We're going to share new recipes, and I hope you enjoy.